What's up, traders? So let's do a full multi-time frame analysis of Euro and ZD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, before I begin the full analysis, make sure you smash the like button so that it motivates me more and more to create this kind of analysis for you. With that being said, let's start. First of all, you see the chart in the screen. It's a 4-hour time frame. We see that after 58 minutes this candle is going to close, and we might see a trading opportunity in this instrument. Now let's first of all see the higher time frame, and I'll come back again to 4-hour time frame to see how we can enter a trade. To see the directional bias, you always need to look at the higher time frame. Now Euro and ZD, what you saw that after this month's false breakout to the upside, you saw this is a strong false breakout to the upside along this line, and the price aggressively moved to the downside, closed as a strong bearish engulfer. You see this is a completely upside. There is a false breakout downside. We see it covered the whole candle body completely the previous month. So as a result, this month we saw that after this candle close, we see the price aggressively move to the downside, and we can expect further move in this instrument. Now, currently, this month just maybe more than a little more than a week is remaining, so we might see, we already have seen a significant retracement to the upside, and from here we can expect further drop in the last couple of days of this month. As you see that this is a long-term bearish market, so long-term bearish, currently bearish, so we have a strong bearish momentum. And at the same time, you see that on the monthly time frame, Euro NZD basically broke all this recent level of support, currently residing below this support. Now this price is lastly visited in 2017, which is really incredible. Now currently it's in a very historically low price. At the same time, we see on the monthly it has created a head and shoulder, so slowly we might see a very bigger move to the downside on Euro and ZD. Now let's see on the weekly time frame how we can see the trading opportunity. Now on the weekly as well, the previous week we have seen a textbook pin bar. Now with this pin bar, we see a continuation of this downtrend. Let's see how it is continuing. You see from here, after this false breakout, we saw that Euro and ZD broke down. Now after this breakdown, what you see, there is a support has been broken. Now with this weekly pin bar, we saw this support has been penetrated and finally rejected to the downside, tested as a resistance. And at the same time, let's see how much retracement it has moved of this move to the downside. Take it Fibonacci from the high to the low. What you see that Euro and ZD just, you see, just retraced up to 38.2 Fibonacci level, which can be considered as a minimum Fibonacci level, and which is satisfactory at this point. After this pin bar, we at least this week could see a push to the downside, at least same length of this pin bar to the downside. So we have a still a big move to catch this week. Let's see on the daily time frame. Now daily, we saw a doji has been created. The last day of the trading week, a doji. Now after this kind of doji, normally the price started to move again, and we see this is the situation. Now currently we see Euro and ZD moving down, and at least around 50% of this daily doji, we can expect the first move of this downside. Let's first see how much peep in this daily pin bar to the downside. So if we take this one as a reference, let's say that 50%, normally this is what happened. Let me draw a level. So this level could be used as a take profit target, and from here we can enter a trade. Let's say on the 4-hour. Now this is what we will be using. We are already running a euro trade. If you are following me, you have known, because in this 4-hour time frame, you see there is a double bearish engulfer. This one is one bearish engulfer, there is another bearish engulfer, and couple of dodges is being created. That means that Euro and ZD is highly likely to drop from here. This could be the highest stop loss level, this could be an entry level, and if we take our target here, it will give us at least 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio for this move to the downside. I sincerely believe that you found value in this analysis. If you find value, give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.